Today we're going to learn how easy it is to clean your natural makeup brushes right at home that's non-toxic. So do you want to find out an easy DIY cleaner that you can take care of your natural bristles at home that's safe and non-toxic? You'll want to stick around. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. So I want to introduce you today to the On Guard hand soap. Yep, hand soap. Did you know that it could actually be used as well to take care of your bristles, of your natural brushes? I know as ladies, a lot of times we spend a good amount of our budget in our makeup products. It goes on our skin. We want to make sure that it reflects the best us, and you need a good tool to do that so you have really good makeup brushes. If you have to take care of them every month to make sure that you're getting a good application of your makeup. So set it in your calendar, whether it's the beginning or the end of the month, mid-month, whatever that is for you, at least once a month. Make sure that you're cleaning your makeup brushes. So one easy way that I do that is with the On Guard hand soap. So if you're new to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like so you can find out about future content on our channel. I love the On Guard hand soap. It's super easy to use. It's mild, non-toxic, safe for all skin types, and you're gonna love it. So that's one of the things that I like to clean my makeup brushes with. Another thing that you can do if you have the On Guard concentrate cleaner, this is very affordable cleaner that it is already not pre-diluted. So the hand soap is pre-diluted. You just put that right into your foaming dispenser and it's ready to go. But the concentrate, you just need 2 tablespoons of it for a big pump of cleaner. So this one stretches your budget for sure, but also really safe for all of your makeup brushes as well. So either of those work really, really well. The On Guard is also amazing. If you're new to On Guard and to doTERRA essential oils, you can go to pubmed.gov and read some research on the protective blend, and it does amazing things for antibacterial and antiviral. And so that's why I love using it on my makeup brushes, but I also know that it's going to be safe. Be sure to go to roxysaran.com. If you're ready to join our oily family, you can do that there. Or if you just like to shop for the On Guard hand soap or the On Guard concentrate, you can do that there as well. Okay, so let me show you how easy it is to clean your makeup brushes today with the hand soap. So you want to turn on warm water, not too hot, not too cold. And first of all, just wet your brushes first. Okay, so I'm gonna wet this one. And then I'm gonna get a good pump in my hand and massage that into there. Let that get into your bristles really, really well. And as you can see, the makeup will start to go on there and you know that it's working. If you want, you can squeeze out. You don't want to ruffle the brush. So you want to comb it in the direction that it's going. You don't want to like mess it all up. You want to keep the integrity of your brush. All right, so making sure I'm getting clear water. That's when you know that your brush is clean. Once you start getting clear water as you wash your brush. Okay, so this is good. When you are done, I've got clean water. You're going to squeeze it in a downward motion. Get all of the water out of your brush. And with the fluffy ones, I just go ahead and get it back to the way it looked before you washed it. So that's done. All right, so you do that with all of your brushes at least once a month, and you're gonna have healthy looking skin. Your makeup will be applied smoother when you have your makeup on. And so I love, again, non-toxic cleaner. It's easy on the brushes, but I know it's doing a good job as well. So thanks again for watching today. Go to roxysaran.com where you can shop for the hand soap or the cleaner. We'll be able to get that to you. And also hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. What was your favorite part of this video? I hope to see you in the next video where we'll share our business story with you. Why we got started in doTERRA and how we got started in doTERRA as a business. We'll see you in the next video.